As I already told you in the underwater vehicle, they are having plans to increase the depth, that is number one. And they will be working on even in the ocean mission. They have number of components which includes even polymetallic nodules. Polymetallic nodules is their, I would say, 3 decades of NAO's contribution that has now created a new avenue in the deep ocean mission, and they are also taking a greater role and a leading role in that deep ocean mission. So I think more than these 2 points, number of points will be there in their priority list. But I would say these are the two very, very important and the upcoming things.
With the help of underwater vehicle, what data you can get?
Actually, according to them, Dr. Sunil will be able to tell more, but the temperature, humidity, and climate-related understandings could be obtained from this underwater vehicle. But if you need more details, I think Sunil, can you explain?
Yeah, thank you, madam. Actually, underwater vehicle, if you are trying, they will collect the sample particle one, and means then it will help also in finding the active vents. Active vents, hydrothermal vents, which are depositing lot of elements in the ocean, and active biology, which is going on in many places, like many of the extreme environment, where it will be very difficult, where temperature is going to 400, 500 degrees centigrade. If there is some biology growing, we will real time can take the photograph, we can real time take the samples. All the minerals we can take the samples for future studies. So there are so many abilities, ROV or EOV, which will be done.
So pollution in rivers can be measured by this?
It will help you, but river depth is only say 10 meters to maximum 20 meters. So that our another EOV, existing EOV, which can go up to 200 meters, that can easily measure that.
What is the scope of study? You are going to study the entire Arabian Sea?
Actually, if you see the entire Indian Ocean is our target. Of course, focus will be in the northern Indian Ocean, which Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, which is within our vicinity. But Indian Ocean, the total 71 million square kilometer area which is there, that is our target, because unless we understand total Indian Ocean, the total Indian Ocean, India is the biggest player. If you have, you know, the Pacific and Atlantic, a lot of Americans and Europeans are studying, but Indian Ocean, very few countries studying. So there is a very urgent need to study entire Indian Ocean, and our focus is the entire Indian Ocean. Yeah. Our madam told, the name is Seabot.
Seabot.
So this stands for coral robot. So what is happening because of climate change? Coral bleaching is taking place, which madam had seen studies. She dived inside up to 6 meters, and she could visibly has seen the dying of the coral. One side something growth is taking place, other place it is dying. The bleaching is taking place. So because of that, means coral, you know, density is so high that everywhere we cannot go. So our group has developed this technology that this will go with different sensors, with the different cameras. It will scan through the entire coral, keep on sending the data, and real time, like salinity, temperature, or all those things measure, and will say that wherever these corals are dying, what is the responsible factor, why it is happening. So this type of study will be very helpful.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.